DB, why is the camera like that? Shout out to my girl for buying me a camera mount for my birthday. Cause I just turned 21, man. Anyways, I'm currently going, as y'all can tell by the title on the thumbnail, I am currently going to a big ass car meet. Like it is fucking, it's supposed to be like one of the biggest car meets ever. And I'm gonna just pop out and see what's up, man. My friend RJ called me, he was like, yo, you try to pop out to this meet? So I'm like, okay, let's do it. So I got like 30 minutes away, or it was an hour. I've been on the road already, but I got 30 minutes away. I got my brother behind me and RJ's up there somewhere. I don't know what the hell he's doing. Y'all can't even see me, but yeah, y'all get the point. But with that being said, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just gonna show y'all. It's a little dark. I'm gonna help y'all right quick. I'm gonna just show y'all what's going on, you feel me? At the car meet when I get there. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Let's do it. Alright, YouTube, we just made it to the car meet. As y'all can see, yeah, I haven't vlogged in so damn long, bro. Maybe because I'm not consistent. Nah, for real though. Look at this cars, bro. Come here. That's it. Shit, man. That bitch is so tough. You like the lip?
Yeah, them rims are cool too.
Well, he got the same brakes as me. Wait. Oh, those are bigger. What? Damn. Let's go over here. Right. See that super that put over the parachute?
Yeah, and you were following them all the way around.
This one. Rodrigo? I said Rodrigo out here. Shoot.
It's just an instant.
I know, but at the same time, that bitch, this scat's freak. This Camaro, what is this?
It's definitely good shit.
This is the one I seen over there, that one.
That's exactly how I want mine for real.
Yeah, I used to.
I like that one.
It's alright.
Maybe a little bit different.
Just go ahead, downgrade, get one of these.
You gotta get in the light, bro.
Alright, you two, I haven't ate. I'm going on 3 hours of sleep right now. I have not eaten nothing. They got a 7 brew right there though. So just in case I run out of energy, I can just go over there and get what I usually get, and boom. Look at that scat. I wonder if it's can. Look at the tires in the back.
Whatever it is.
Badass tires. Does the lighting look good?
Yeah. You kinda gotta like stay over here. It says 392.
I actually like that color. That's different.
Yeah, because even like, even had a couple spots.
Go ahead and race this guy.
We all had a nose like,
Dude, look at the tires on that shit. Damn, you two. Should I get a Super?
Oh, we got a 5.7 on slicks, bro. What's up, man? Like, I thought we let this go in 2024,
That's
right? Nah, gang, the one back there, the white one. Like, got slicks on. Nigga got a whole full set of slicks, slow as shit. What the fuck is you? Right there, the white car, nigga.
That one?
The white one behind the red one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about this one.
That shit look like it been through World War III.
In the
Oh
hey,
yeah.
you got some runs for real.
All these scats here. I ain't gonna lie. This dude, I can get him, bro. No.
5.7 on slicks, bro.
Why do you do this?
5.7 on slicks.
It's a Charger Pursuit, too.
Yeah, Toyota.
He's gonna hook good though. He'll hook good. You don't have enough horsepower to get me.
Oh my God, is that Jay?
Just go ahead and race him right quick. Is that who you want to race? Good job, Vic.
Yeah, drive a bit.
Look at that, man. The lime green one?
Yeah,
I just seen it.
Green.
Nigga, that shit sounds good.
That bitch sound like it's holding my demons.
Alright, you two, we finna go get something to eat. Don't know what's up with this damn camera, but we finna go get something to eat. I have not ate anything. I'm finna go eat. Yeah, I haven't ate anything all damn day. What is this? We can drive through? Yeah, man. Haven't ate anything. I'm finna go eat something. Finna go to Wendy's. Yeah, bro, this is gonna be an all-around video. So it's just gonna be a random vlog. So y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Get this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. And yeah. Alright, YouTube. So as y'all can see, I'm currently finna go get something to eat because I have not ate anything all day. When I say I haven't ate anything all day, I have not ate anything all day. I just drank an energy drink. I don't usually drink those, but like I said, I'm only going on 3 hours of sleep right now, so I had to drink it. But like I said, I'm finna go get something to eat and then come back to the meat. And yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. This shit's crazy. Waterburger right there. It's packed around here, man, because I've never been to this part of the city right here, or wherever this is. I guess it's a little outlet, y'all can see. And I have not put on my seatbelt. I'm not gonna put my seatbelt on, so if that's bothering y'all, fuck it. Wendy's is right here. Wendy's.
This is the type of meat people want to race.
Yeah.
Like, they're not like talking really. They're just in their
Put
own.
your money up.
Yeah. That's definitely what I'm seeing right there.
Yeah. Alright, YouTube, we just made it to Wendy's, as y'all can see, the one and only. Yeah, lad. For real though. Got my brother right here.
You know, man, this meat, it's like, I feel like it's just a bunch of races, if you know what I mean. There's racist people.
Let me get 2 biggie bags. Which one you want? They're right there. At the bottom.
Bacon double stack.
Alright, YouTube, just order. Y'all let me know what y'all get from Wendy's, because Wendy's is like a go-to. That is a go-to place to go to. There you go. Yeah. Bam. Thank Father for this year that are so blessed here. Endure super prayer, many, many blessings, Lord God. Endure super prayer, amen. I'm finna eat this food, and I will pick up the camera in a little bit. All right, YouTube, we're going back to the meat, as y'all can see. Shout out Wendy's, man. Put you on game. Shit, bye. Cars, bro.
I was on 6 RPM. My shit was going. It was popping. Like
I heard it. I heard it.
Yeah, bro. It was popping super fucking loud.
That shit sounded fire. All right. Alright, YouTube, we finna go. Damn, that shit fucking scared the fuck out of me. Yo, what the fuck? Nah, we finna go back to the meat, man. There's a lot of cops out. I'm not gonna lie. But it's good. It's cool though. It's cool, you feel me? It's cool. You feel me? Let's pop back out of this meat. See who pulled up. Your boys gotta put gas. So, let's go. I'll catch y'all when I get to the meat. Let's do it. Alright, YouTube, just put up to the meat. As y'all can see. And this bitch kinda getting flooded, I ain't gonna lie. This bitch is starting to get flooded, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Dude, this bitch is clean, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's a scat, bro. Look at Chucky hanging out the window, though. Look at his Chucky hanging out the damn window. That's kinda hard. You know what that remind me of? Young Nudie. Cause
Where you got it from?
he got Chucky.
You gotta get the wireless one.
Huh?
The wireless one.
Yeah, so you stand right here, you sit in this.
Yeah, I like how it look though. I like how they look.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one all the vloggers be using and shit. But that's what I pretty much do. I just vlog and whatever.
Catch up with you.
All right, bro. What's your name?
Josh.
Josh, DB. Nice to meet you, bro. I'm busy there. Don't want that link. Bro, I'm on 3 hours of sleep, as y'all can see. Y'all see me? Yeah, boys. Oh my gosh, look at them. Look at them eyes, boy. It's time to go to sleep. All right, YouTube. I'm currently going to Sonic to go see some races. Cause Why not? This shit is crazy. Yeah, man. We finna dip. Well, we're not dipping, but we're going to the Sonic drive-in, whatever the fuck it's called. Alright, we finna get on the highway to go to the Sonic. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. So yeah, stay tuned. This shit crazy. That motherfucker is tough. Alright, YouTube, we just made it to the gas station. As y'all can see, we is 4L. For real, no. Shit, no. That motherfucker clean too. That motherfucker wing, boy. Start playing. That is L1. That is L1. Yep, I think.
That's a deal.
Hey, I didn't hear the supercharge though, so it ain't. Alright, YouTube, so like I said,
Over there, right? Over there, right?
if I get on the highway. Oh, he almost spin that. Fuck, man. That shit crazy. Look at super, bro. That motherfucker is so clean, bro. That motherfucker is tough, nigga. We finna start racing, right?
I really want to race this Mustang. He called me out. I don't know where he is, but I really want to race him.
That nigga went home.
I'm a 10-speed Gen 3, man. I'm a Gen 3 10-speed, bro, with long 2 fucking headers. I have a tune. I have the fucking burbles, kind of. It just sounds beautiful, man. I love it. And this dude just met like some famous guy, man. It's crazy. Like he makes.
Cut has 2 million subs, bro. That shit's crazy.
It's just like first thing he says, just keep going, no matter what. That's the thing people give up on. People don't have enough discipline or motivation to keep going because they don't see numbers, they don't see this, they don't see that. I know I'm not a fucking YouTuber. I mean, a freaking YouTuber, but I'm gonna tell you something, man. If you keep going with anything and everything you do, you're gonna win. And if you don't just like, if you're always like, oh, it's not gonna work, I don't see numbers in 2 years, shit ain't gonna work out.
It ain't ever gonna work out. So you gotta keep going.
It's discipline. It's discipline to go get your camera. This dude has like 3 hours of sleep, barely ate anything, and he's out here, man.
I'm out here working, man. Not twerking. Okay.
And freak all them people.
Just go ahead and call him out.
Nah, but look, man.
Is that him? Nah. What color was it?
I think it was gray.
That's a gray one right there.
Nah, I think it had a wing. Where's he at, bro? Nah,
He might not even pull up, for real.
I'm telling y'all. Keep working, and don't worry about everybody else is thinking, saying this, that shit. Just fucking work, man.
Work, and not twerk. Yeah, man. We like an hour away, or hour and 30 minutes away from home, and we're trying to see if we're gonna get any races, because I want to see some races. I don't even know what gas looks like, but gas is expensive. Expensive. Yeah, like, how much is gas here? What the fuck? Around this shit. Gosh, gas is freaking cheap here, bro. What the fuck? I'm finna load up. I hear that. Fucking gas is cheap here last time. Hey, yeah, dude. You not paying by the pound, you paying by the, yeah, you feel me? Finna put some gas right quick, cause the scat need it. Shit. That motherfucker is loud as f***, nigga. I got a tap here. Finna pump this gas right quick. How that money keep running? Yeah.
Fuck, you got a spot, and he's probably gonna take it right there, bro.
Just go ahead and tell that dude to leave the meat. Appreciate it. Let's go park the car. Monte Carlo in the back, looking like a pool. 85 outside, shining like a jewel. Yeah, it's fucking tight ass spot, bro. Look how deep this, bro. I'll show y'all right quick. Let's get out of here. Look how deep this car meat is. That bitch, this shit is crazy. Damn. Hey, she bet she can get through the gate. Damn. BMW after BMW after BMW after BMW. Big lad. Yeah, man. My brother's supposed to be waiting for somebody that he's supposed to be racing. Here's this Camaro right here, bro. This shit crazy. Is that David?
Huh?
Is that David?
Nah.
Like with BMW?
Yeah. Nah. You know who I'm surprised isn't here? Ryan.
Dude, now we got big trucks pulling up, bro. Look at this shit. Dude, who?
I'm meeting him, bro. Nah, I'm meeting him. I really want him.
Shit, race him. Call him out. I don't know, buddy.
My shit does the same.
I don't know, Betty. I don't know about that one.
Yeah,
Gotcha,
bro. No, bro. That shit's...
Dude, look at this fucking truck right here. Nigga. This ain't no fucking truck meat. This is a car meat, not no damn truck meat. So what the fuck? Look, he's 4 pockets full. Look at it. 4 pockets full. What the fuck, man? That's when you know we in Mississippi, boy. Oh man, we should stay at that car. I ain't gonna lie, you probably got that dude. For sure.
Bro, I'm calling his ass out.
He might not spin back. Just race this dude, bro. Come on, bro. Hey, call him out.
Sippy's behind Ethan's car, bro.
What is it? Like
It's a performance book coyote.
Coyote?
So
Alright.
it's got like 600 watts. Wait, how you know something done to it?
Simple.
Wait, so it's not stock at all?
Oh, really?
Oh, you're fucked.
Whoa, this is a Gen 3 10-speed.
Ah, it's a 10-speed though.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, what you got?
Here's climbing. I'm 60.
Y'all race, bro?
Shit, we can.
Want to? Just right here. Just a little pool.
Right here or on the highway? Right there or on the highway? You can't race right there, can you?
I mean, we can.
It's gotta be on the highway. Y'all gotta turn around type shit.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me tell them. It's gotta be on the highway. You can't race right here. Too much people. So, I guess y'all go spin around and something, find an exit. Yeah. I guess he'll just follow you. Alright. Hey, follow him. Gus finna take a race. Look at this, bro. This motherfucker's so damn clean, bro, nigga. It's just loud as fuck, nigga. That shit is so damn loud, bro. I'm finna talk to my girl right quick. What you doing?
Just lay down.
Shit's fucking loud, dude. Look at this, look at these, look at how much people are here. This shit is crazy. Gosh, bro, what the fuck? That bitch is so sexy, man. Oh my god, dude. That bitch is fire as fuck. Look, YouTube. That motherfucker is so fucking tough. Damn. Mach 1, them shits are expensive as hell. That 5.0 is clean too. Damn. Look at this one right here. Oh shit. Damn. Hell nah. Look. What's going on? Talk to my lady, man.
Hi.
That's it. That's it. Y'all see it? Hi. She gonna be in a video soon, man. I'm gonna start putting her on video soon. You feel me? So I get ready for that. Yeah, he smoked that motherfucker, man. That fucking R8 is sick, nigga. What the fuck? This is R8, bro. That motherfucker's tough. That bitch. Them niggas parking right here too? Oh my god. This nigga, hey, you won. Alright, y'all. I don't know if y'all seen that race, but my brother won. Done gapped that nigga. He gapped his ass. Go ahead, just call somebody up. Hey, once you do that first race, you already addicted.
He ain't lying.
You addicted, bro? Bro, don't tell me that's that cat that we were looking at. That's it.
Bro. Bro, let's go talk to him. Let's see where he got it. Let's go talk to him.
Nigga, that's the cat.
That is literally the cat.
If he's got red guts, that's it. I'll ask him where he got it to. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Oh my gosh, that motherfucker's crazy. Let's walk around. Come on. All right, YouTube, we at this car meet. We has transitioned from that place to this spot, from this place to that spot, and now we are here. And look how deep it is, bro. I even got my girl here. Oh my gosh. This shit is fucking amazing, bro. Yeah, where's it?
I think you parked down there. Yeah, he's right there. Let's go out.
This one's clean, bro.
Yeah, that's the factory option.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it complete stock?
Some dude traded in. He was a one owner of it, and he drove it for 5,900 miles on it, and he traded it.
Damn. How much you pay for it?
I paid $69. Believe it or not, I did. I had a Charger.
Charger?
I had a 20. Yeah, 392 wide body. It was white.
Yeah, yeah. You like it? This? Oh yeah, I love it.
I'm talking about the
Charger.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
But when you have the opportunity to upgrade it,
That's cat, man. You got to. That's crazy. That Mustang is crazy.
That's your car? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Cat. See that? See that cat? How crazy this morning, man. Gosh. Hey, just go ahead and just get out of my way. Appreciate it.
not just fucking.
Damn, man. What is going on? She said what?
actually like it.
Look at the color too. It's a little darker than mine.
Hey, that's a destroyer gray.
Yeah, it's a destroyer gray. This one, that would be. I've seen a couple of them. That would be nice. This is my dream car right here. This is that one. And he's got red guts in there. You can tell he take care of it.
Yeah.
He just keeps it in the garage, man. All right, come on, YouTube. Let me stop glazing Hellcats and stop being black. All right, guys, we got the damn fucking lifted ass fucking truck. Shit, dude. The fuck. Now, what you think about this though? Show me that shit again.
Unlike certain trucks.
What the fuck? Alright, YouTube. I don't even know what to say anymore. This shit.
They over there full ass Sonic.
Damn, they over here full ass Sonic too. Damn. I've been using that mount. You hear me? It's a good investment. Very good shape. Oh my gosh, bro. We're gonna walk to the other gas station, bro.
Nah, it's not what the fuck over there.
They got a Jeep truck off over there. Oh my goodness, buddy. Oh my goodness.
You see them bikes?
Yeah.
Them bikes crazy.
Side and shit, dude. This guy.
Yeah, that's cool. I ain't gonna lie, that's okay.
Oh,
I'll drive that.
Nigga, AJ. Ammo.
Wow, that's so loud.
Don't do that. 350D.
Oh, these guys are fucking jacking.
I need one of those gas cans. Boy. I think that Jeep over here. What was that, M2? Oh yeah, that one's.
Damn, look how deep we are, bro. Look how deep we are.
I know, bro. What? Damn, nigga. Is that ATSV that wants to race me? Yeah, I think so. What?
You racing that? Race it.
That bitch is probably quick, bro. It's super light.
It is quick. ATSVs are fast.
Yeah.
That M550 sounds crazy.
That sounded like a fucking Hellcat.
Huh?
Can you believe gas is that cheap here?
Yeah, gas is really.
Oh, that's all we fucking
God,
split
bro, I
that
filled
shit
up,
up,
bro.
You
You know how much gas is over here?
235, bro. What the fuck?
Bro, 93's 3.1, bro.
That's
Over
crazy.
there, it's like
350, 360.
Yeah, bro.
Over there, Foley is 3.8.
It's like 3.8, 3.6, bro.
Hey, DB, if I go, I'm gonna have y'all stay with her. I know E2 will be running tonight, but I know you'll be here.
Alright.
Alright, YouTube, I am single. Let me know something. I have a fucking Mustang.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
You gotta be reporting all that.
Like, you need to go.
That's how that mine right there. GT.
That one?
That one's clean.
That one is fine.
I like that one.
Damn.
I heard
What? That's our
Hey, let's go back to the car. You got
this.
V12 supercharged?
It's V6. Oh, V6. Tight shit. What you got done so, man? I'm fucking with you, bro. That fucking can. Camaro. It is. That's a Ferrari, bro.
Oh,
It's gotta be.
shoot, bro, that is.
It's a Ferrari. Oh my goodness, buddy. That's a Ferrari.
It's actually a nah.
It is. Look at the horse on the side.
Oh damn. It is,
Damn.
Oh hell no, bro.
Alright, guys. All eyes on this guy over here.
What the fuck, bro? What the fuck?
Those are the ones I like. Those are the ones I like. I would take that over the. That.
Beautiful, man. Can you do something? Nah, he can leave. He's just trying to get gas. Like, what the hell is going on? He definitely.
Now, if he put up in an SVJ, oh my goodness, buddy.
I would.
God, he didn't get it.
He better hit it.
I hope so.
I hope he does, bro. Please. That lame ass.
He's going to park. He's going to park. Okay. He's going to the other gas station.
Damn.
Bumps and shit.
I got the GT500 over there. He's got the Hellcat.
It's not. It's over here, bro.
Look, I haven't been at Cowan meeting so long. Last time I was here, it was just Sonic, and there was only like 7 of us. And you would just like pick 2.
I know, this fucking full.
Oh yeah, yeah. Nice. I like
This
I like
one,
that gray.
appreciate it, man. This one's it's actually not a Hellcat, it's a Demon. It's a what? Demon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's mine. Bro,
Like, my
it's a scat
the
factory.
Demon logo. On the, you know what I'm saying?
Go ahead. Nah,
it's
that's a scat. And this is mine right here. It's a 10-speed Gen 3. Has long tube
I
headers.
like those 10 speeds.
Oh
man.
yeah, bro. They're nice, bro.
People say 10 speeds, like, they've been talking about the 10 speeds, but them shits be moving.
They move, bro.
I love it, bro. I'm gonna do some stuff to it. Right now it looks super basic. I'm trying to change the rims, maybe get some springs, get a wing. Not a huge wing, but like this one. I don't like them.
Alright, YouTube, give me a second. I know this vlog is like everywhere, but I'm gonna do my best to do what I need to do. No cap. Yeah, just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. We on the road to 3K, then 10K, then 100K, then a million. Yeah. Look at 12 in the cut.
Oh, nice, man.
We got 12 right here in the cut.
Feel me? This is actually insane. The cops just pulled up. We're done. Okay? This car meets over. Yeah, laugh. Alright, YouTube, we finna leave. The fuck? Alright, YouTube, we finna leave. Tow truck came. They finna start towing people. So, we gone. It was nice while it lasted. I got 1 hour and 40 minutes back home, twin. Yeah, I get the point. Let's do it. What I want in this though. I get bored on a trick on a hole. Nice McLaren, bro. Alright, YouTube, we leaving now. I'm gonna to get up on the interstate. Oh yeah. Boys gotta turn around and shit. I'm losing my wallet, am I? No. Alright, YouTube! You gone, nigga. Here we go, buddy. Shit, man. What the fuck? That is L1? What that was?
Be careful for me, thanks.
What?
Be careful for me, thanks.
I'm not. Go through this damn tunnel. I made this damn turn. Whoa! Yeah, glad. Hold on. I'm gonna go through this tunnel. What the fuck? Look at this Mustang right here. This slow ass. Alright, nigga. Your ass get thrown off this damn bridge. Your ass gonna be food for the damn alligators, nigga. Woo! That shit's crazy. Alright, YouTube. That's probably gonna be it for the video. Well, that is gonna be it for the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna keep bringing content to y'all, man. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Have a blessed one, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm gone.
You talking about racks, I got it. These bitches be all in my pockets. And I ain't never been one-sided. But all of my cars wide body. All of my bitches united, I think they be sucking my dick for a hobby. Yeah. I'm in love with Franks, I'm in love with Benz. Talking about the watch and the money. I'm talking about the racks and the Mueller. She all of my fakers, I'm cooler, but babe, I'm a demon, I promise I do you. I feel like it's sand, cause I'm going super. Chopper it'll freeze, yeah. Make it screen freeze, Spain on the block ballerina, it feel like Katrina outside of that truck. I don't give a damn if we hit your man, fuck nigga better not book. I don't give a damn if we took your gun, fuck nigga, that shit book. Nigga, run out like Patrick Mahomes out that pocket. Jet leg on my KD, I got a new rocket. I paid for the brains to go, I got it. It's murder for hire, play tag, I'm not it. Pop out all black, for real. We floated that money, we killed them bills. I don't feel shit, cause it pain too real. I ain't playing shit till I hit that mill.